This is an international broadcast issued jointly by the Department of Planetary Observation and the Office of Celestial Continuity. What you are about to hear is not speculation. It is confirmation. The world will end soon. Not in decades or centuries, but in hours. The collapse has already begun. Quiet, invisible, measured not by explosions or storms, but by the slowing of time itself. Atomic clocks no longer agree. GPS signals desynchronize. Every system built to track the seconds of our existence has started to drift, stretching minutes into something longer, something hollow. Scientists call it temporal fatigue. But what's happening is older than science. The universe is forgetting how to count. Reports from major observatories confirm that stars have begun flickering in unison, blinking out across the night sky in a geometric pattern that cannot occur naturally. The constellations are reordering themselves, aligning toward a single invisible point beyond measurable distance. When the stars move, so do we. Every step you take tonight will feel heavier than the one before, as if gravity itself is remembering something ancient. Do not attempt to leave your home. Vehicles will fail. Compasses will spin. North no longer exists. If you feel pressure behind your eyes or ringing in your ears, that is the sound of space-time bending. The air around you will thicken, colors will deepen, and reflections may lag several seconds behind reality. Do not touch mirrors or screens. The images they show are not delayed, they are ahead. In several documented cases, reflections have turned to face the viewer before the viewer moved. If you experience this, cover the surface immediately. The reflection is not you. It is waiting for your confirmation to become real. As of 11:03 p.m., every major satellite network has gone dark. The moon appears larger tonight, but it is not moving closer. The sky is collapsing inward. Astronomers describe the horizon as folding. Civilians describe it as the world looking back. When you hear the low hum in your walls, do not panic. It is not electricity. It is the resonance of the final frequency, the tone the universe makes before it stops. Some call it the cosmic heartbeat. Others call it God inhaling. If you are with loved ones, do not speak. Words carry too far now. Thought itself ripples. The more you think about the end, the faster it comes. Breathe softly. Sit near the center of your home. Do not pray out loud. The space listening to you is no longer empty. If you hear a voice respond in perfect timing, it's not answering, it's remembering. When the air begins to glow faint red, close your eyes. That is not dawn. That is the fabric of time unraveling. When everything slows to silence, when the clocks freeze and your heartbeat no longer syncs with your breath, remember this: the world does not end with fire or flood. It ends with memory. The last thing you will feel is recognition, the sense that you've lived this before. And maybe you have. Because endings are never final. They're just the universe blinking.